Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to link your Epic Games account to your Nintendo account. So make sure that you have already logged in for both accounts in your browser. First, go into epicgames.com and then find the display name in the top right corner of the screen. Click this. Click the account and then scroll a little in the sidebar until you see the apps and accounts. Now as you can see here, this is the Nintendo account button or interface for connecting it into our Epic Games account. Click the connect button and click the connect account. Click the I agree button and just wait for this loading screen until you see the success pop up. Click the continue button. And that's it. There's a alert notification that we have successfully connected our Nintendo account to our Epic Games account. That is how you can connect or link your Epic Games account to your Nintendo account, and thank you for listening.